Hi Crafty Friends, how's everyone doing today? Today's actually Sunday and it is 2:39 and I figure we do an unboxing. I'm sorry I did not do an unboxing last week. Grandpa Charlie was visiting, but I will try to do a whip and chat soon. Okay, so today we're going to do an unboxing from Jaded Gem Shop. Okay, I actually ordered this, I can't remember when, but it's been a while, but worth it. Let's see. Okay, so let's open this. This comes in a box, in a white box, and as you can see, it's got plastic. So I just removed the top. And it's got a picture also of the painting on the top. So let's get this baby out. And it's a pretty big box, so that means it's a pretty big painting. I can't remember what size I selected. All right, let's see. So we have the drills. See if I can get everything out of here. That's the sticker sheet. And I think there's another package in here. Yep. All right, so we're going to put the canvas aside for now. All right, let's see. So what do we have here? It looks like we have release paper. Big ones, which is nice. 4 of them. You could actually cut these in 4x4, 3x3, whatever you like, 5x or 4x6. Whatever feels comfortable for you. So this is very nice that it comes with that. So I'm going to put that aside. And it also comes with the drills. So as you can see, there's 2 packages or 2 bags. 1 of 2, 2 and 2 of 2. Okay, and it looks like I selected the round. Okay, we'll look at that later, much later. And then of course, this is the sticker sheet. And that is the beautiful painting. As you guys know, I love fairies, but I also love mermaids. Okay, so, and I believe that's the Mermaids and Magic that's coming up soon, so I'll try to see if I can do more unboxings of mermaids. This is from Jaded Gem Shop, and as you can see, it comes with pre-cut stickers, okay? And so the first row are the symbols, the second row is the DMC, and it tells you the quantity, which is pretty cool. So in other words, let's look at number 2. It's letter N. So that would be the symbol that's in the painting. And then the DMC is 152. That is the number of the color of the drill. And then it tells you that there's 3006 colors. Of drills of that color. Which is pretty cool. All right, there's 69 colors. And it looks like I selected 3 ABs. 69 colors. Okay. All right, so let's put that aside. Let's bring out the canvas. Okay, it's very soft. It's got scallop edges, which is nice. It also has the pinholes. This is a big one, guys, but it's so pretty. Oh, wow. Wow. So clear, too. Okay, so we're just gonna go all the way up here. Can you see that? Yeah. It says A Mermaids Bath, and the artist is Toshia San. And then you have a legend on the left-hand side. Has the picture again. I believe this is a 70 by 70. The great thing about Jaded Gem Shop is that you can select the size. So they have like an 80 by 120, which is huge. I believe they have a 60 by 60. And I selected the 70 by 70. Okay, hold on a second, guys. I've got to let Bella out. I'll be right back. And I'm back. I'm sorry about that. I don't know if you can still hear her barking, but she's outside of the craft room. She was here next to me, but there's a window here, and she saw a boy skateboarding. So, of course, she has to bark at everything that passes by. Okay, so anyway, so this is a legend, and like I was saying, you can select the size. I think I selected 70 by 70. You could also select the drill shape, and I believe I selected a round because I prefer the rounds, okay? And this is port glue also. Now let's look at the legend again. First row, it tells you there's 69 colors. Okay, can you see that? Yeah, 69 colors. And then in the middle are the symbols, then the DMC code, and then the quantity. All right, so let's look at the top here. The top here is her logo, Jaded Gem Shop. And I'm just gonna fold this because this is a big one. Oh, wait a minute. I just found washi tape in here and something flew out. I'll have to look for it later, but I think it was a cover minder. Sorry about that, guys. So here's some washi tape. Let's put that aside. All right, so let's look at the right-hand side. Okay, there's no legend there, all right? But up here, it says that you can find them at, this is the, I think this is Pinterest, Jaded Gem Shop, YouTube, Jaded, I can't say it, Jaded Gem Shop, and jadedgemshop.com. All right, let's see. The plastic is very thick, which I love that. All right, so I'm just gonna open it and let's look at this beauty. Wow. Yeah, I think I selected a 70 by 70. And you could also select, I think, ABs or crystals. All right, so let's look at this. I'm gonna have to stand up. Okay, let's put that push over there. We don't want to see the glare. All right, I absolutely love this painting, guys, because I love all the details. So she's a mermaid. She's very relaxed. She is actually taking a bath, and she's also reading a book. Very pensive, reading her book, very happy. And then she's in one of those old-fashioned bathtubs that I absolutely love. We used to have one of these, actually. I grew up in the city in New York, so we used to have one of those. And okay, and over here she's got a stained glass window, which is very pretty. You know what? I really need the picture. Where is the picture? It'll help me. There it goes. And this looks like she's got a windowsill or maybe a table, and there's the shampoos. She's got a vase with some roses. Over here she's got some candles and maybe some bubbles. And then of course she's got her friends with her. So she's got two kitties. There's a black one sitting very nicely, and then there's a tabby one over here. And then let's look at the curtains. But look at the curtains. Very pretty curtains. I think they're yellow goldish. Has little bows right here. There's a bow here. There's another bow over here. Let's see. Wow, lots of details. I love this. Okay, I'm just gonna bring it up this way. I'll bring it up in a little while. A second. And you have a picture here. Okay, and then it looks, because her tail is sticking out. She is a mermaid. She needs to soak in the water, right? And there's some spilled water. Where is the spilled water? I just saw it over here. Okay. And then there's a little blue mat. And then she's got the scrubbing brush here. And then she's got books, more books here. She's a reader. There's sort of like a little stool. I don't know, I think this is the towel here. And, or maybe these are the towels, and maybe this is like a bathrobe. Not sure. And don't forget, look at the details on the bathroom tiles. Look at the bathroom tiles. So cool. And it's very, very clear. It is, I have to say, it is confetti heavy. The bathtub is more color blocking, and you still have some confetti in there, but confetti everywhere. And you guys know I don't mind confetti. Confetti, by the way, if you're new, it just means that you're going to have to constantly change the drills. And color blocking means that it's the same color concentrated in one area. All right, so I'm going to bring her up so you can see it. And like I mentioned before, this is legally licensed artwork. Okay, let's see. Let's see if I can. So there goes. I don't know if you can see that, but those are the flowers. Okay, on the vase. Look at the window. Those are the shampoos, the soap. Okay, I'm gonna fold it here so we can see the other side. Look how pretty she is. She's got long brown hair. She's got a pink ribbon, pink or red ribbon. Her book. She's so pretty. And then she's got another towel here. I just saw that. And the bathtub is very ornate. I'm not sure if that's a seashell. course, because she's a mermaid, right? And the kitty cats waiting so patiently, but it looks like Tabby wants to get in there with her. And let's see. Hope I'm not making you dizzy, but there's the picture. And oh, look at her her slippers. They've got like little pom-poms on top. So adorable, guys, this painting. All right, so I'm going to put the painting away for now, and then we will look at the drills and see where the 3 ABs belong in the painting. And so this is the part where I'm going to bring out the drills. So if you like to skip this part, it's okay, okay? And I'll see you in a little while. Okay, guys, I just realized that this is a lot of colors. These are the ones with the these little baggies that you have to, and they're not organized. So I'm not going to be taking them all out. I'm just going to show them to you like this, and I will take out only the ones with the special drills, which is the ABs. And so let's just look at the colors this way. But as you can see, it looks like it's got a lot of light purples, reds, peachy colors, very light color, pastel colors, blues, like turquoise. And then over here, like a hot pink, more blues and greens and orangey, very pretty colors, and like a lime green. Okay, so I'll be right back. I'm just gonna take out the special drills. Okay, guys, I'm back. So we have these 3 colors. These are ABs, which stand for Aurora Borealis, and it's basically a drill with a special extra shine to them. So this one's a 5200, and this is like a white, okay? And this one is AB 3865, and this is also a white, but I think one is more a winter white. Not sure if this is a winter white. And then this one's AB 712, and this is a cream, a very creamy, very pretty color. So shiny, see that? Okay, so let's see where these belong. Let's start from AB 712, which is that one. And this is gonna be, wow, the symbol is like 2 little curved lines like that. Now, this is a creamy color, so I thought it would be on the picture, but it's not. Is it on the book? Nope. All right, I think it's going to be probably on the window. Let's see. Mamma mia, guys. Aha, it is on the window. It's up here. I just saw it. It's like all the way, gosh, where is it? Up here. It's gonna be, it looks like it's gonna be around the window. Yeah. Because that's where the light is coming in. Okay. And then the next one is AB 3865. AB 3865, which is this one. And I think we said this is a more like a winter white. White or a winter white. And this one looks like sort of like the Mercedes. Look at that little logo. Yep, it's in the windows. This is also in the window. It's over here. It's actually around the rim of the bathtub, which is nice because it'll bring out the bathtub. And it's over here. I believe those are the candles. Some on the curtains. And then you have more over here, which is her tail, on top of her tail. Because it's the light that's coming in, it's hitting her tail. And got more over here. Move this up. Well, let me move this up. More over here on the book. I mean, actually on the towels, I'm sorry. On the towels. And this one that we said before, the creamy one, is actually on the book. or towels. I have no idea. No, those are books. I'm sorry, those are books. Also some here on the brush. Okay, so it's like a little bit of everywhere if you think about it, right? And then the last one is 5,200. This is white, and it's sort of like a little person. It's got a head, and it looks like it's got shoulders. So I believe I saw that also on the window. It's all here. Yep, it's all over in the window. Okay, so that looks like that's where the ABs are. So it's on the window, some on the candle, around the rim of the bathtub, on top of her tail. I mean, her body, because the tail's down here. Her body, which is the scales. And we said also over here on the towels. And yeah, I would definitely add more bling to this. Where would you add it? Where would you add? Maybe some on the flowers? Maybe. And definitely maybe more on her tail. Yeah. So, all right. Well, I hope you guys love this painting as much as I do. Let's see if I can, where is she? So you can see her right there. All this light out of the way. Can you see that? Without the glare everywhere. I think that's actually the light on the above on my ceiling. I'm sorry, but yeah, it's beautiful. Well, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the week, and hopefully maybe I'll do another video during the week of another unboxing. Bye bye. Take care, guys.